In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Revolut virtual card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Virtual cards can be generated on Revolut for no additional cost. They are very good because they are disposable, which gives you extra security online. For example, if you want to make a purchase on a website that you don't want to expose your card information to, you can create a virtual card only for that specific website. In order to do so, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of the Revolut mobile app installed, and in there, switch over to the Cards tab. Keep in mind that this process might be visually different depending on your region, but that's all you have to do. Switch over to the Cards tab on your app, and you will find the option to get a new card. When you tap Get Card, you will be able to choose between a physical or virtual card. As you can see here, the description tells you about virtual cards, and it's mostly what I described. When you select virtual card, you will have plenty of options to customize your card. In this video, I'm not gonna go too much into detail, but you can choose a specific color and give it a name. Once it is ready to use, it is going to appear under your card list, and when you select it, you will see options related to that specific virtual card. You can show the details about the card at any time, so you can get the card number, the expiration date, and the security code to actually make purchases using the virtual card. You can freeze the card, and in the settings you will find other relevant options, for example, setting a limit and managing the card. At the bottom, you will find the option to link it to a digital wallet. I highly recommend that you do so. You can link it to an Apple Wallet or a Google Wallet, and anytime you select to pay with Apple Pay or Google Pay, it is going to be used. It is a great way of creating disposable cards that allow you to have extra security when shopping online or in store. Just make sure that you go over to the cards window and select Get New Virtual Card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Revolut virtual card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.